Good morning children, Sharmishnati. Let's solve the first problem from exercise 11.3. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Observe these two cuboids children. To do these cuboids, which one will take lesser amount of material we are going to find. Okay. Solution. In case A, length of cuboid L is equal to 60 cm. Here observe, this is 60 cm length, breadth 40 cm they gave and height 50 cm they gave. Breadth of cuboid B is equal to 40 cm, height of cuboid H is equal to 50 cm. We know that total surface area of cuboid is equal to, that is total surface area of cuboidal box here, which is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, okay, which is equal to 2 into length into breadth is 60 into 40 plus breadth into height 40 into 50 plus height into length is 50 into 60, okay. 60 into 40 gives 2400, 40 into 50 gives 2000 plus 50 into 60 gives 3000, which is equal to 2 into sum of all these. We will get 7400, which is equal to 2 into 7400, which gives 14,800 square centimeter. Means we got total surface area of a cuboid. Now let's move to the next case. In case B, length of cuboid L is equal to 50 centimeter. Once you observe here, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeters. Okay. Length of cuboid L is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth also 50 and height also 50 centimeter. Total surface area of cuboidal box is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Here all the values are 50 only children. Directly you can multiply. 2 into 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50. Then 2 into 50 into 50 gives 2500 plus here also 2500. Here also 50 into 50 gives 2500. When you will add all these terms, 7500 we will get. 2 into 7500, which is equal to 15,000 square centimeter. Therefore, the box A requires the least material to make, that is 14,800 square centimeter. Next question children. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Here they gave length, breadth and height of a suitcase children. We have to find how much tarpaulin cloth is required to cover that suitcase. Okay. They given length of suitcase is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth of suitcase is equal to 48 centimeter, height of suitcase is equal to 24 centimeter. We know that total surface area of a cuboid is equal to, here total surface area of suitcase is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Let us substitute the values. 2 into 80 into 48. Length is 80, breadth is 48. Here breadth and height 48 into 24 plus height into length, that is 24 into 80, which is equal to 2 into multiply these two terms, these two and these two. Okay, we will get 3,840 plus 1,152 plus 1,920. When we will add all these terms, we will get 6,912, which is equal to 2 into 6,912, which gives 13,824 square centimeter. Total surface area of one suitcase is equal to 13,824 square centimeter we got. Therefore, total surface area of 100 suitcases is equal to 13,824 into 100. 13,82,400 square centimeter. Again given breadth of tarpaulin cloth is equal to 96 centimeter, but length they not give children. Length of tarpaulin cloth is equal to x centimeter. Let us consider it as x. Area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. In the same way, here area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to length into breadth. You got already area of 100 suitcases. That let us substitute. 13,82,400 which is equal to length is x, breadth is 96. Then this x is equal to transpose 96 children. Then 13,82,400 divided by 96 we will get. That is x is equal to 13,82,400 divided by 96. Strike out, we will get 40,400. Means x is equal to 40,400 centimeter we got. We will convert it into meter. X is equal to 40,400 divided by 100. Because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Smaller unit to convert bigger unit we have to divide. Which implies x is equal to 144 meter. Because 0, 0, 0, 0 strike out. 144 will remain. Therefore 144 meter of tarpaulin cloth is required to cover 100 suitcases. Next question children. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 square centimeter. Here side of a cube we have to find children. They given total surface area that is 600 square centimeter. Let the length of edge of cube is equal to x centimeter. Let us consider each side of a cube is equal to x centimeter. Surface area of cube is equal to, we know that surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Here surface area of cube is equal to 600 square centimeter they given. But the formula is 6 into a square. A means side of a cube. Here we consider it as x. Then x square we will write. 6x square is equal to 600 they gave. X square is equal to transpose 6 to the right hand side. 600 divided by 6 it will become 6 ones are, here 6 ones are 0, 0. X square is equal to 100 we got. X is equal to this square you transpose children. X is equal to, if you transpose square it will become root. Square root of 100 which is equal to 100 can be written as 10 square. Square and root can be cancelled which is equal to 10. Otherwise you already know that square root of 100 is 10 which is equal to what we got, x is equal to 10. Therefore length of edge of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Next question. Rooks are painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How many surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? In this question, except bottom we are going to paint the complete room. They given already length of the cabinet, breadth of the cabinet and height of the cabinet. Only 4 walls area you know children how to find. That is 2 into L plus B into height. Here we have to include the top also. Then it will be length into breadth. Okay. Area of cabinet except bottom is equal to 2 into L plus B into H plus length into breadth. Which is equal to 2 into length breadth children. Length of the cabinet is 1 meter. Breadth of the cabinet is 2 meter. And height of the cabinet is 1.5 meter. Let us substitute these values in the formula. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1.5 plus length is 1, breadth is 2. 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3 children into 1.5 plus 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6 into 1.5 plus 2. 6 into 1.5 is 9.0 plus 2 as it is. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. That is 11.0 can be written as 11 square meter.